Happy Sunday, you guys. I hope you're doing well. So today we are back at CVS for the start of a brand new 2-week ad. And I'm sorry for missing last week. I was feeling under the weather on Sunday, and because it was the second week of the ad and there weren't a whole lot of deal updates or new digital coupons or rebates that came out, I just skipped last week for the second week of the ad. So hopefully my video 2 weeks ago at the start of the last ad was sufficient for you guys to get some additional deal inspiration from. But we are back this week for a brand new ad. There's quite a few things going on this week, so I'm really excited to get into it. Some high value digital coupons and extra buck deals, some unadvertised deals that are honestly way better than the advertised ones. So I'm really excited to get into it. I will be posting a rolling extra bucks video this week. I already have it all planned out in my notes. So I'm gonna go film that and hopefully get that up by tomorrow, Monday. It's starting with $0 in extra bucks, like how I've been doing in the past few months, where I start again with $0 in extra bucks and then just roll the extra bucks I earn in transaction 1 through multiple transactions to see how much stuff that I can get for as low out of pocket as possible. For those type of short form videos, make sure you're following me on my short form platforms. I do post here on YouTube Shorts, and then I also post couponing content on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok the same way that my channel is spelled, kaylakoupons. So go check me out on those platforms if you're not already. And with all that being said, let's get into the new deals this week. We did just get a $5 CRT good on any L'Oreal facial care, so you can grab the toner at $8.59. Using that, you pay just $3.59. Otherwise, you can also grab some of the cleansers as well that are priced around $9. That'd be a good deal using that $5 CRT too. You can pick up 2 of the 25 count Neutrogena makeup wipes that are $6.99 each. They're on promotion for buy 2 and you get back $6 in extra bucks, and we do have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So using that, you pay $9.98. After the $6 in extra bucks back, it would make 2 of them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. And check your fetch, because my fetch did have a points back offer valid when I spent I think $22 on Neutrogena products. So it's worth to scan in your receipt and start working on that bonus for some bonus points that you can redeem for gift cards. The Axe body wash are buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks at $6.29. You can grab 2 of them totaling $12.58 and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and you pay $7.58. After the $4 in extra bucks back, it would make 2 of them just $3.58. The Banana Boat and Hawaiian Tropic sunscreen are spend $20 and you get back $10 in extra bucks. So what you can do is grab one of the liquid sunscreen Banana Boat at $12.49 and then one of the aloe or after sun lotion at $8.99. So those 2 would total $21.48, and you can use a 4 off 2 digital coupon, which will leave you to pay $17.48. You'll get back your $10 in extra bucks, making both products just $7.48. Select Nexus products are buy 2 and you get back $5 in extra bucks, and included are the masks. At my store, they're priced at $7.29 each, so 2 would total $14.58. We do have a 9 off 2 digital coupon that's attaching to these, so you'd pay $5.58 and then earn back your $5 in extra bucks, making 2 of them just 58 cents. An amazing deal this week. On these travel size dry shampoos, no extra buck coming back, but they are $6.79 each, and the 9 off 2 digital coupon is attaching. So that would make 2 of these just $4.58. And by the way, I love this dry shampoo. It's perfect for traveling. This week, Garnier Fructis are $4.49 and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So grabbing 2 totaling $8.98 and using a 3 off 2 digital coupon, you pay $5.98, get back your $3 in extra bucks, making 2 of them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. Tresemme is buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks. No idea what my store has. Spend 10, get back 3. In the ad, it is buy 2 and you get back 4. They are $6.49 each for the cheapest, smallest size hairsprays. So you can grab 2 of them totaling $12.98 at $6.49 each and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon, which will leave you to pay $8.98. You'll earn back the $4 in extra bucks for buying 2, making your final cost just $4.98 for 2 or about $2.49 each. The Dove shampoo and conditioner are buy 2 and you get back $5 in extra bucks. At my store, they are $6.49 each. So grabbing 2 and using a 4 off 2 digital coupon, you pay $8.98, get back your $5 in extra bucks, making 2 of them just $3.98. The Gillette Foamy Shave Creams are buy 1 get 1 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 at $3.79, totaling $5.68. You pay that, get back your $4 in extra bucks, making your final cost for 2 $1.68. Instead of doing the Gillette foamy deal, you can also grab one of the Gillette disposable razors and one of the Venus disposable razors. They are on the same promotion. The cheapest ones at my store are $8.59 each, so grabbing one of the Gillette and one of the Venus would total $12.88, and we have a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette disposables and a separate one for the Venus disposables. So you'd pay $6.88 and then earn back the $4 in extra bucks for buying two, making your final cost for both packs of razors just $2.88. The Schick men's disposable razors are on sale for 2 for $14 and buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks. So grabbing 2, you can use a $3 digital coupon for each one. We have 2 separate $3 digitals. So you'd pay $8, get back your $4 in extra bucks, making your final cost just $4 for 2 or $2 each. And the exact same deal applies to the Skintimate razors as well. Exact same math. It would end up being $4 for 2 or $2 each. And check if you have CRTs to make it an even better deal. We have such a good deal on these Listerine Cool Mint breath packs. They are $7.29 each in my store, and buy one and you get back $4 in extra bucks, and we have a $2 digital coupon. So you'd pay $5.29, get back the $4, making one of these 3 packs just $1.29. Another way that you can use the $2 coupon is on these big bottles of Listerine that are on sale for $8.99. Buy one and you get back $4 in extra bucks. So after the $2 digital, you pay $6.99. After the $4 in extra bucks back, it would make one of these big mouthwash just $2.99. Select of the Crest mouthwash, the Oral-B toothbrushes, and Crest toothpaste are on sale for $3.99 each, and buy 3 and you get back $5 in extra bucks. So grabbing one of each would total $11.97, and we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. You pay $6.97, get back your $5 in extra bucks, and you can submit for the toothpaste for $2 back on Ibotta, making your final cost for all 3 items completely free. If you do not already have Ibotta, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $5 bonus when you sign up and submit for your first Ibotta offer. You can grab one of these Sensodyne Pro Enamel Kids toothpaste at $4.99. We have a $1 digital coupon that would leave you to pay $3.99, and these are buy one and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So after that extra buck back, it would make one of these just 99 cents. The Colgate toothpaste as well as Tom's and Maine toothpaste are spend 10, you get back $5 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 of the Tom's at $7.99, totaling $15.98, and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $10.98, get back $5 in extra bucks, making the 2 of them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. Axe deodorant are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. So grabbing 2 at $6.99 each and using a 7 off 2 digital coupon, you pay $3.48, get back that $2 in extra bucks, making your final cost for 2 just $1.48. The all detergent and pods are on sale for $5.29 each, and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So you can grab one of the liquid and one of the packs, totaling $10.58. You'd pay that, get back $3 in extra bucks, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on the liquid. It's a limit of 1, and $1 back on the pods. It's a limit of 1, making your final cost for both of these just $5.58. The smaller bottles of Persil detergent are on sale for $5.99 each, and buy 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks. So grab 2 totaling $11.98. You pay that, get back your $4 and 50 cents on Ibotta for one of them, making your final cost for 2 just $7.48. The Ajax dish liquid is on sale for buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So grab 2 totaling $5.23. You'd pay that, get back your $3 in extra bucks, making 2 of these just $2.23. The Suavitel is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $3 in extra bucks. So grab 2 of these at $3.59, totaling $5.38. You pay that, get back $3 in extra bucks, making 2 of them just $2.38. We have a really good sale price on the Arm & Hammer liquid detergent as well as the Arm & Hammer laundry pods. And also included in the $1.99 sale are the OxiClean sprays and stain treatments. That's a really good deal because the normal cost for these is quite a lot, like $5. So a great time to pick any of these products up on sale. YWEKTYQ Kotex are on sale for buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 and you get back $2 in extra bucks. So you can grab 2 of the BioCare pads at $6.99 each, totaling $10.48, and use a $1 digital coupon. You pay $9.48, get back your $2 in extra bucks, and then you could submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each one for the BioCare, getting back a total of $4 on Ibotta, making your final cost for 2 packs just $3.48, which is a great stock-up price. The Nature's Bounty vitamins, again, this ad are buy one, get one free. The cheapest ones at my store are the iron at $7.99, and we do still have the 5 off 2 digital coupon. So if you haven't already used that, you can grab 2 of these for just $2.99. The General Mills cereal are on sale for $1.99 each this week. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon, which will leave you to pay $2.98 for 2 of them, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 2 boxes, making your final cost $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents each. And make sure to check out Fetch because Fetch has a ton of offers on General Mills cereal right now. Okay, so my store closed unexpectedly before their normal hours, so I was not able to check out. I have to go back tomorrow on Monday to finish my transactions and finish filming the checkout of my rolling extra bucks short form video. But I am going to go through what I am planning on doing for rolling my extra bucks and what your low out of pocket, starting with no extra care bucks, could be this week. So first I'm grabbing 2 of the Axe deodorant at $6.99 each, and buy one get one 50% off. The Listerine strips at $7.29, and then the 2 Nexus hair masks at $7.29 each. So all 5 of these items total $32.35. I'm going to use the 7 off 2 for the Axe deodorant, the $2 for the Listerine, and the 9 off 2 for the Nexus. So I should be left to pay $14.35 cash out of pocket, or you can use extra bucks that you already have to pay for that. And then I am going to be getting back the $2 for the Axe deodorant, the $4 for the Listerine, and then the $5 for the Nexus hair mask. So that should be a total of $11 in extra bucks back that I'm going to roll to use in transaction 2 to pay for my after coupon cost. In transaction 2, grabbing 2 of the Axe body wash at $6.29 each, and then each of the oral care products at $3.99 each would total $24.55. We have a 5 off 2 for the Axe and a 5 off 3 for the oral care products. So that would leave us to pay $14.55. We're using the $11 in extra bucks we earned from transaction 1 to pay. So we should pay $3.55 out of pocket, and then we're going to get back $2 on Ibotta for the Crest toothpaste as well, so that'll lower our out of pocket cost since Ibotta is cash back. And then we're also going to be earning a total of $4 in extra bucks back for the Axe body wash and $5 in extra bucks back for the oral care deal for the Crest and Oral-B. So that is $9 in extra bucks back that we're going to use to pay for transaction 3. Using those $9 in extra bucks in this all transaction, these two total $10.58. We'd use those $9 in extra bucks to pay and pay $1.58 out of pocket, get back $3 in extra bucks for buying each of these, and then also get back $2 on Ibotta, $1 for each of these products. Okay, and then finally, using those $3 in extra bucks, we grab 2 of the General Mills cereal at $1.99 each and use the $1 off 2 digital coupon. We would use our $3 in extra bucks to pay, which would leave us to pay nothing. And then we're going to get back our $1 on Ibotta for submitting back for $1 on 2 General Mills cereal boxes. So in total, for all 4 transactions, our true out-of-pocket cost that we pay was $19.48. And then with accounting in Ibotta, getting back $2 for the Crest toothpaste, $2 for the 2 all products, and $1 for the General Mills cereal makes our net cost just $14.48. That is a great deal for all 4 of these transactions and all the items that we grabbed. I will catch you guys next week for week 2 of this ad.